Good morning, world. What is that little, what is this? Okay, but anyways, starting off the morning kind of dark and early. We're at Walmart because what's a fishing trip without Walmart? We're about to head to Canyon. He has to go get some stuff. We gotta get food. We gotta go get diesel for the truck and we're good, but I think it's gonna be a good day. Go forward. Thank you. Hello.
Let's go.
All right, thank you. Have a great rest of your day. So we're here at the final stop. Just filled up the truck. Now we gotta go make the 45-minute drive to Canyon Lake. So watch all this B-roll.
Now watch this drive.
We made it to Canyon Lake. Nathan's out there on the boat, just backed it in. Now, the real question is, how do I get onto the boat? There's no like dock or anything. So, that's gonna be interesting. I think I'm gonna get a little wet today. If I like hook on and it starts pulling drag, it's like the best sound ever because it sounds like just, it sounds like a car scraping. Like that doesn't sound good, but like when you're fishing it does. Oh. Oh. He hit me again. Oh. Throw it back out there. Did you see the line jump?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, come here, boy. Oh, there, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the, oh, yeah, boy! Yeah, boy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You're on top of the freaking face, dude.
No skunk today.
What is that?
Largemouth. Yes, sir.
Here, I'll put you on the snap for you.
Thank you, buddy. Found him. No skunk. See ya.
Alright, get it out there.
There you go. No
Dude,
skunk.
I didn't feel it. I was like, where's my thing at?
Measure it. It's like a, oh, he threw your tail off, dude. Did he? Oh no, he spit something. Oh, no way. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
I get that B-roll of the fish. Nice.
Nice.
Guess we going deep now. Were you fishing bottom?
Yeah, I was getting it low a little bit, but
All right.
yeah.
Time for that bottom stuff. Alright, so here's the dealio. We're out in the Guadalupe River, so the Guadalupe River feeds into Canyon Lake. We decided to take the boat through there because it's actually pretty deep. There's a bit of hard cover and stumps, so you got to be careful, but we're gonna try and find the fish on the graph. I suck at reading graphs. I think he knows what he's doing.
There's legit nothing here.
Nothing here.
Do you want to continue going up this river?
No, let's go hit that overhang I was talking about.
Back there?
Yeah.
All right, we'll head back then.
We're gonna go like flip an overhang real quick and we'll be back.
Big ones are 7 feet.
7 feet? You think they're in this channel right here?
Yeah?
No. Oh my god! Kill it, boy! Get out of here! Where's my chanclas? Not on my boat. Rolling, we are rolling. So last thing I recorded today was us at Buc-ee's after going fishing. So straight after Canyon Lake we went to New Braunfels, went to Buc-ee's literally for like 3 minutes, then we went back to San Antonio. But fishing was okay. Caught 1 fish, Nathan caught 2. We didn't get skunked, which was a good thing, but it wasn't the outcome we expected. I was throwing that Livingston jerkbait, that Jerkmaster 121, and Nathan was throwing one of these KVD shads on a weightless Texas rig. Sad to say, this trip is winding down. I have to go back home, go back to work, and but this definitely won't be the last time I'm here. So there's all that mess behind me. Got to go get that cleared up, start packing, and get to editing those videos because I'm really slacking. My hand's getting tired, but this is gonna wrap up tonight's video. See you in the next one.